10 o'clock on a Tuesday. What are you doing? I'm getting in my car because it's raining outside and my husband forgot a file that he needs for some work that's happening overnight at one of the commercial jobs that we're working on. Yay! Have I mentioned it's 10:30 on a Tuesday night and it's raining?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tearing out a bunch of counters.
And you have to do this after the place is closed, right?
Yeah.
Did I also mention that
I went to college for this.
You did not. You went to college to fly planes.
Yeah, it didn't happen.
You're not flying planes.
No.
Oh, hey, also, do we mention to the folks at home that you coached a football game before this too?
Yeah. And had a full day of, well, she had a colonoscopy. Didn't think I'd mention that. So that was like early this morning. Had to take her to that. She's all high on ludes or whatever they put her on.
It's not ludes, it's anesthesia. And also, get your screenings. Everything's all good, but get your screenings. It's important.
Yes. Hi.
Ben the Builder is here.
If you're not doing something stupid, you shouldn't have problems.
But right now, that could be called stupid. You're messing with the alarm, the panic alarm.
Well, you have to. You got to tear it out.
We already got the cops here once. Why not? There you go.
Oh, look at you, Ben.
wireless. I think it's wireless.
Would you just look at all of the DeWalt items we have out here? Like, look at all the DeWalt
I
stuff.
own all
that
the
you-
stuff.
Is that all you use? DeWalt?
Uh-huh.
Like down to your gloves. Look at your gloves.
Yeah.
Let's go. All you use is DeWalt. You got all the tools, but what did you say you needed?
I said I have a list of them, and I probably need to update it, but it has every tool that I want, and I've just about chopped them all off.
Okay.
I better wait for the back.
Wait. Ben, here's your snack for later. Let's go. Get some M&M's. Circa 1998. Some Sour Patch. There's some M&M's. A little bit of everything.
This was all built on plates, so it's not going to disassemble one unit piece.
It's a back scratcher.
Do not remove.
It's amazing. And it looks like we have some buffalo sauce. Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave you gentlemen to the rest of the evening.
Gentlemen. You see gentlemen out here.
Dude, we found a back scratcher under the cabinet. A back scratcher. And some buffalo sauce.
Buffalo sauce made it all work.
It did.